Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can integrate Trello with Discord, so let's get right into it. Now, neither of these two services have an integration method, which you can easily do within these apps themselves, so we're going to have to use a third-party service here. Now, the one I'm going to recommend you use, and the one that I'm going to use myself, is known as make.com. You just need to create an account or log in with Google, and you'll be good to go. And what we're going to do is we're going to create new scenarios. Now you can go over into the scenarios tab at the left menu, as you can see here, and it's really easy to make an account. You just enter your email, your password, or you can log in through Google or a different service, and you'll be able to make an account and use it very freely. Now, once we're in scenarios, what we're going to want to do is click create a new scenario. And once that certain scenario is created, we can then click on the plus, and then we're going to need to search for Trello in this instance. So just type in Trello, and as you can see, this has been verified. So click on Trello and then select the action that you want to happen. So for example, whenever a card is created or something like this, whenever a card is created, or for example, let me just choose another event. I messed this up, so I'll delete the module, search for Trello again. So let's search for a module. So for when a card has been added, I cannot find that event. So for example, I'll just use create a card. And now we have a connection here. Now you're going to need to create a connection and add your account to Trello. So just click save, and you should be logged into Trello, or log in yourself manually, and you'll be able to, log in. So just click allow, and now Trello and Make will be connected, and the connection should be good. And just click OK, and you need a list ID, for example, 1. And now once that's created, you need to add another module right over here, and we're going to add Discord. And let's see, send a message. Let's say that's what I want to do. And then we're just going to create a connection, and then just click save and add a Discord connection so that you can add your account, and that it shows or that it sends a message to your account itself. And that is pretty much how you do it. I'm not exactly sure how to work out the kinks with this, or how to, make it, customize it to my liking, but this is pretty much how you do it. You just need to set up an event trigger, then you're going to set up a second, result trigger, and once a card is created on Trello, you send a message to Discord, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.